Neal Isaacs, the Raleigh business broker, coming to you with a quick message around this time of year. This is recorded in December about what we see with businesses for sale around this time. So right now, we see a lot of business buyers. We don't see as many people going to market. We actually advise people to hold off on going to market until the 1st of January. There's kind of a new leaf type of scenario. I call it new leaves because there's this expression of turning a new leaf. You get through the holiday seasons and it's status quo. It's finishing out the year strong. It is just getting through it all. And nothing's going to materially change in the last couple weeks of the year. And you're so close to the end of the year, business buyers are, that you just don't have your total year in yet. Some sectors like retail are just slammed right now, and they're just trying to finish the year. Other sectors are kind of slow because they've already done their bookings. So there's a few different phenomena that happen, but come January, it gets super, super busy. Our advice for owners around this time is to finish the year, do some planning for the new year, and then close out the books as quickly as possible, and to prepare to list. If a business owner is ready to sell, that means they have done a valuation, they have gotten their business in the best shape possible, and they're comfortable with the most probable sales price. And mentally, they're ready for the next chapter of their life, and they accept the most probable sales price that their business is currently at. If they're not ready, we advise them to grow the business and then prepare to hit the milestones they need to sell to hit the price that they want. They have to change the business if their numbers don't work out. But for those owners who are ready in December, we advise them to work with a business broker such as myself to put together the marketing packages to go to market confidentially in January. So either watching this in December or January or any time of the year, there's really no bad time to go to market, but the best time, in my opinion, is to be ready at the beginning of the calendar year. And likewise, towards the end of the year, if you're watching this later, you may just want to prepare for that next year. There are lulls in the summertime as well that we see for business buyers. Basically, when people are vacationing, they tend to not inquire about businesses as much. There is kind of a doldrum effect, but the busiest time by far is January. I hope that's interesting to you. It's interesting to me. These are the types of things that we focus on and in selling other people's businesses. If you have a question about selling your business, reach out to me, Neal Isaacs, the Raleigh business broker. You can find me on LinkedIn. You can call me. My cell is 919-621-1248. I look forward to taking your call. Thanks for watching. Till next time, Malhala.